I'm talking exit strategies and other trading advice with Merlin Rothfeld. Hi, Merlin.
Hi.
Well, I know you look at ways to get in the market, but a lot of people have trouble exiting the market. What's a good exit strategy, and how do you do it?
Well, there's a million different exit strategies, and we'll keep it kind of simple for the listeners here. Every time I make a trade, I have an entry price where I believe is the right price to get in, and then the second most important thing is where I'm going to get out if it goes against me, because it's all about money management. The third consideration, as you're asking, is about the target, I think, is where do we get out of this trade? And the exit strategy that I like to use is it's going to be 3 times the risk I'm taking. So if I'm risking $1 on a trade, I want to be making at least $3. And generally, I'm going to try to tie that in, those targets, into support and resistance levels overhead, and areas where I know I've seen price bounce off of before. So that increases the probability of those levels being turning points. So I'd like to sell, before it hits that turning point. From there, what I'm doing is I usually will take off half of my position. Let's say, for example, I'm at 1,000 shares of Microsoft. Microsoft hits my price objective. What I'll do is I'll take off half of it and let the second half run with a trailing stop. And maybe I'll make some more on it. But at least I want to have that reward for hitting my objective, hitting my goal.
How do you deal with the emotion that it's going your way and maybe it'll do a little bit more and I'm going to stay in?
Emotion? I don't know what you speak of.
No emotion?
What is this emotion you speak of? One thing I've done is I've totally tried to desensitize myself to the emotional side of trading, and you can't get that worked up. Part of what we encourage everyone to do, Online Trading Academy's classes are designed to say, look, let's build that discipline, let's build the structure, let's strip you of that emotion, because that's what ruins people. So when you make a trade, it's all planned out. You've got all the numbers in front of you, so why should you be emotional anyway? It's written out. This is what you thought it was going to do, so why should you get emotional about it? It's no surprise. Certainly, when something's really ripping in your direction, yeah, you get that, want to cheer it on a little bit, but there shouldn't be any emotion. I think if you find the emotions getting the best of you, then you need to stop what you're doing because you're not doing it right.
Interesting. Does that lack of emotion make a better trader?
I think so. I think you don't let your emotions get the best of you. And our job is to just be a machine, which is why you're seeing a lot of automated systems. I personally would never use an automated system because I believe that my computer is better than all the other computers out there.
That's a good thing.
But, I have the ability, a human ability to adjust on the fly and make changes where a computer system doesn't. And, to me, that is the challenge of trading. The excitement of trading is that every day is different. It presents us with new challenges and keeps me, kind of excited and happy to be trading.
Merlin, thanks for talking with me today.
Always a pleasure.
My guest has been Merlin Rothfeld.